Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to guide you through how to download and install Rapido Captain on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's dive into the video. Open your App Store and type Rapido Captain, and you can see there was no result. So let's work around this. Swipe down and go to your browser and type Rapido Captain and hit the search, and you can see there's a result for this, and tap on the link. Once you tap on the link, it will open on your App Store and you can tap on this cloud icon, and it's take a while to download. Once it's downloaded, tap on the open option and Rapido app will be launched, and provide your mobile number here and do the next verification steps, and you are ready to use the Rapido app. And thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos and leave a thumbs up.